Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. What you'll need. Starting out on freshly washed hair, I'm going to take a bowl and my choice of conditioner. I'm going to add olive oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you'd like. I'm going to stir it up until it gets a nice consistency, and I'm going to place it in the microwave to get warm. Meanwhile, I'm going to section my hair. Once my hair is sectioned, I'm going to go ahead and apply the product. Be sure when applying the product that you really take your time to run your fingers through your hair. This is going to ensure even coverage. You also can get rid of any tangles at this time. Once you have your entire hair covered with the product, you can place your hair under a plastic cap. If you don't have a plastic cap, you can use a grocery bag or something of the sort. Now, it's recommended that you go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer, but I don't have one, so I'll just let this sit on my hair for about 45 minutes. And then I'll rinse. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.